We're coming at you with another video on a 2000 GMC Sierra. It is showing up a knock sensor is bad, so we're going to replace both of those because, you know, when one goes bad, normally the other one's not too far behind it. So we're going to go ahead and replace both of those. We're going to replace the wiring harness to the knock sensors. We're also going to put new intake gaskets on it and new valve cover gaskets. Not sure if we're going to make it to the valve cover gaskets or not today, but if we do, they will be in this video and it will be in the description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all. Doing some work on a 2000 Sierra 5.3. Got to replace knock sensors. You know, the famous knock sensor gone bad. Both of them's bad. We got parts all through here. That's the knock sensors right here. New knock sensor. What are you doing? Falling over there? That's for the valve covers. Right there. This is what I believe to be an intake gasket. Yep. Don't do a whole lot of good. What are you doing, Easton?
Throttle body. Sucking, dude.
Pulling the throttle body.
I gotta stop doing that because you can't put that on.
Yeah, I figured out I can. I was watching one of Ryan's videos last night of us doing the headers on his truck. James cussed probably 22 times in 40 seconds. I swear. Do what?
Light.
Some light? I didn't bring my flashlight. Oh, hey, I got you right here. What's up?
Alright, so while it's sitting here, just hook the hoist up to it right there, undo it from the transmission, and then pull it out, and then push your truck out over a cliff and like just drop it down in the car.
I know there's another bolt on here, I just don't remember where it is.
Or I'll put that 350 down in here and you can just sound like that. Knocking it off. It'll start, it'll drive. Runs and drives. Not gonna say how good, but it does.
Hey YouTube, say hi to Aaron. He is a single gay bachelor looking for all the men that you can have.
Exactly.
He is a fruit cup. Look at his hair looking all like weird and shit. We call it naturally aspirated.
Yeah, you wear a toboggan all day, get the same thing.
Whiskey coffee. Old whiskey coffee over there.
Called Irish coffee.
Trying to pull these fuel rails.
What we're doing here is we are taking the fuel pressure line remover, putting it in there, and what it does is it slides up against these four little prongs that hold that fuel line on there. When it pushes up under there, it thinks it's on that fuel line, but it opens it up and then it lets it off. That's what it does. You got to give them instructions on what you're doing, otherwise they don't want to watch it.
I do.
I ain't heard no instructions the whole video.
They know what we're doing. I done told them.
Yeah, but you're not telling them every step.
Bullshit.
You got to tell them every step.
I just told them we're
Ain't you ever
removing.
watched videos?
I just
learn
told
how to
them.
do something. They
I
make
just
a
told
10-minute
them.
video on how to take a freaking brake off.
I just told them we was removing fuel rails. They know they have to remove the fuel rails. There's one fuel line removed. Two fuel lines removed. What you do is get a fuel line separator. Some of these thingamajiggers right there.
This the blue one on this specific one.
On this specific set, it is the blue,
3/8.
which is 3/8.
And this is the true homo looking for a boyfriend.
Daggum right.
I need a star.
Yeah, what?
Star head.
Oh,
They know when you kicked off the YouTube and making fun of homos.
no.
You got any star beds?
Star bits, check the top drawer, that red dude right there.